In today's video, I'll show you how to buy Steam games using Apple Pay, step by step, in a simple way that anyone can follow. First, it's important to understand one thing. Steam does not support Apple Pay directly. That means you won't see Apple Pay as an option when you're checking out inside the Steam store. But don't worry, there is a reliable workaround. The easiest method is to use Steam gift cards. These gift cards can be purchased online from trusted websites that accept Apple Pay. Start by opening your web browser and visiting a website that sells digital Steam gift cards and supports Apple Pay. Once you're on the site, look for the Steam gift card section. Next, choose the gift card amount you want. Pick a value that matches how much you plan to spend on games. Add the gift card to your cart and proceed to checkout. At checkout, select Apple Pay as your payment method and complete the payment using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. After the payment is successful, you'll receive a Steam Wallet code. This code usually appears on the screen and is also sent to your email. Now, open Steam and log into your account. Click on your profile name at the top and go to Account Details. From there, choose Add Funds to your Steam wallet, then select Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Paste the code you received and click Continue. Steam will verify the code, and once it's accepted, the money will be added to your Steam wallet. That's it. You can now use your Steam wallet balance to buy any game you want from the Steam store. And that's how you buy Steam games with Apple Pay. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.